I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to iron a net dress. Lay the dress flat and smooth out folds with your hands. Place a thin pressing cloth over the net. Use a low heat and test a hidden edge first. Move the iron in quick, light strokes without steam to avoid stretching the mesh. Keep tension gentle and reposition the cloth as you work to protect delicate areas and seams. Use steady, confident hands for small repairs before ironing to prevent enlarging snags. Tie off loose threads or use a tiny whip stitch to anchor them. For tiny holes, lay a patch of similar net beneath and work cautiously from the underside. Avoid bulky patches that show through. When using glue, apply the smallest amount and press briefly with a cloth-covered finger. Let repairs set completely before heat is applied. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more garment care tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidy floors effortless, so lint and dust won't ruin your freshly pressed dress. It's a handy companion for anyone caring for delicate garments. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Set your iron to the lowest effective heat and keep steam turned off for delicate net fabrics. Cover the area with a thin cotton cloth and press gently, lifting rather than sliding when needed. Move systematically from top to hem to avoid re-wrinkling treated areas. Use light tension to smooth creases, supporting the net from beneath with your free hand. Allow each section to cool briefly before handling to lock in the shape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.